This compact RIKOJUXI Survival Kit brings together a thoughtfully chosen mix of emergency gear and medical supplies that actually covers the basics for real disasters rather than just looking impressive on paper. The dedicated first aid pouch is easy to spot and includes a sensible range of bandages, dressings, and small tools that would handle most minor injuries on the trail or during a power outage at home. For true off-grid situations, the inclusion of fishing gear, a multi-use utensil, a collapsible water container, and multiple light sources shows that the designers considered food, water, and visibility as long-term needs rather than afterthoughts. The full-size multi-tool axe and shovel with pick feel far more practical than the tiny novelty tools found in many kits, giving you realistic options for shelter building, basic wood processing, and even self-protection if necessary. An organized crossbody bag with multiple compartments and attachment points keeps everything accessible and leaves space to add your own must-have items, so the kit can evolve with your specific environment and experience level. Overall, the components and build quality are robust enough that I would trust this kit as a serious starting point for a household emergency bag, a vehicle get-home setup, or a compact base for camping and hiking preparedness.